Kulai Fastlane, accelerating your investment success in Johor, Malaysia. Are you an investor searching for a faster ROI in ASEAN? Look no further than the Kulai district in Johor, Malaysia. In 2022, more than 70% of the 70.6 billion ringgit investment approved in Johor State was in Kulai district. Thanks to the Kulai Fastlane, KFL, an innovative regulatory delivery incentive is revolutionizing the investment landscape. Kulai Local Council developed KFL in collaboration with Malaysia Productivity Corporation. Kulai is located in Iskandar, Malaysia and Greater Johor Bahru, offering an efficient business supply chain with world-class infrastructure and transportation services. It provides easy access to shipping ports, international airports, highways and Singapore. The district offers high-quality housing, top-notch education and excellent healthcare services, making it an attractive location for investors. Many recognizable brands have invested in Kulai: Mercedes-Benz, WeWin Corporation, Supermicro Computers, Ablecom Technology, and Global Data Centers. You can also benefit from the KFL. With KFL, the Kulai Local Council acts as a facilitator to fast-track your investments. You'll receive consultative sessions with regulators to understand your needs and challenges and receive advice throughout the investment journey. You can start construction work earlier than usual and obtain an operating license a day after building completion. KFL reduces the time to get regulatory compliance approvals, construct the building, and obtain necessary operating licenses by almost 50%. You can roll out your products and services ahead of time, improving your productivity and realizing faster ROI. The success of KFL has led the Chief Minister of Johor to scale up the innovation of Kulai Fastlane to other districts, now known as Johor Fastlane. The Johor Fastlane incorporates a comprehensive regulatory delivery framework that facilitates all investor requirements to start your business in Johor. Invest in the Kulai district and achieve a faster ROI with the Kulai Fastlane. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in Kulai, the heart of business innovation in Malaysia.